Yodelary-hoo. Oh, hey there. Hey, travel dudes. Dave here, coming from an Igloo all the way to you, and I'm in Zugspitz Arena in Tirol, Austria. Servus. How you doing, man? Nice to meet you. So we get the ski rentals, right?
Are you ready?
Let's go skiing. Here we are in Untitled Arena in Zugspitz, Tirol, and I'm with Matti. Did I get any of that right?
Not really. I mean, you mixed it up. It's Edwalder Alm in the Tiroler Zugspitz Arena.
Oh, that's easy to remember. Cheers, mate. I think we should go skiing.
Yeah, it's a perfect day to go riding. Let's hit the slopes.
Awesome.
The Tirolian Zugspitz Arena offers 7 sensational ski resorts, all of which can be reached quickly and easily within the same region of Tirol. From simple slopes designed for beginners and families to more challenging runs for the experienced skier.
Woo! What a great day to be out on the slopes! Woo! High five! Fun slope is new here. It's just open. It's for not just children, adults as well, those who are young at heart. So here is a loop-the-loop. So you go around a loop-the-loop, and then there's a tunnel. Super fun! After a great ski in Tiroler Zugspitz Arena, it's time to grab some lunch and have a chat with Mattia. Prost. It's little time. It smells like Austria.
The bad beer day.
Could you tell us a little bit about where we are?
The whole Tirol Zugspitz Arena has got a couple multiple resorts. It's all in those 2 valleys, really close to each other. This place is so hidden, not many people know about it, so even during the busy times there's no line. No lines, nothing, so you can just enjoy your days of skiing.
I like spotting those little mountain goats on the way up to the gondola. Very Tirol style. When I think of après-ski, I think of terrible Schlager music and a few drinks after your ski session, but here it's more family focused. There's a lot to do after the skiing. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
We got the ski shows in Lermos and Berwang. They are pretty popular. On Tuesday and Friday, you get a night sled. You just come up with your friends, you get a sled, and you just sled down the whole piste, which is awesome. And then, of course, live music here.
Sounds like a lot of fun.
It is.
And I feel a very cozy vibe here, especially in this Tiroler house where we are now.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of hard to explain the atmosphere. I guess it's because it's not so famous and there isn't too many people, so you got more of this family atmosphere, you know, this coziness.
I love the skiing today. Really great conditions and nice, easy runs, especially for a family environment.
There is so many blue and red runs that really you can come here as a complete beginner and you'll have an amazing time.
And the whole area can be summed up with a couple of words.
Yeah, cozy, perfect for families, fun, not busy. It's a hidden gem, and I love this place. It's
there
awesome.
We go. Hidden gem of Tirol. Mattia, thank you so much for an awesome ski. Really good conditions today.
Yeah, anytime. I'm just happy you had a good time.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, danke schön.
Bitte schön.
Woo! It's dinner time. The thing I love about Tirolian food is it's very hearty, very homely food. Normally local ingredients from the local area, which is also great, but it just tastes so good. What a fantastic meal to end the day here in Tirol, Austria. More to discover and more to explore.
around the Zugspitz Arena, Tirol. What a lovely morning it is here in the Zugspitz Arena, and we've got a special activity for you today, something new to the area. We're going to see a guy called Marco who has a igloo building workshop. So we're going to do something a little bit different to skiing here in Tirol. So we come up to the Lermoos slopes to learn about how to put igloos together. Nice to meet you. This is the Tirolian VIP restaurant I've been hearing about. Fantastic. Yeah, I couldn't find it on TripAdvisor, but we have Glühwein for it. Fantastic. Hey travel dudes, Dave here, and today we're going to learn how to make an igloo in the Tirolian wilderness. So the first step is to find a good location for your igloo, and what's the best tips you can give for finding the best spot?
Yeah, find a flat spot.
Flat spot.
So it's pretty hard in the mountains, but here we have really a flat spot.
Yep.
And next to this flat spot, we need a lot of snow to build the blocks.
Great. So, and we can use this stick to measure the depth.
So step number 2, we find a spot with a lot of snow. We have here nearly 2 meters of snow, so it's pretty good. Then we put a rope on the ground, then we have a clear line, and then we start shoveling.
We're going to pop that right here. So the third step to build that perfect igloo is use that base that you found earlier to build these blocks and make a lovely foundation. Use a little pole and the string in the middle to make sure it's the right size. Use one of these to carve off a nice surface, and you have the nice foundation. Then we just build up, up, up. So step number 4, you have to cut a snail formation into the igloo once you've gone on to the 2nd or 3rd level, is that right?
Of course, yeah. Perfect.
Yeah. So as you can see now, we've created sort of a snaily, squirrely, sort of shelly thingy.
Starting with step 5 is to cut also the blocks again, and we need 3 points where the blocks are on the blocks, yeah. And if we have always these 3 points, it never will collapse.
Step 6, go inside of the igloo, 2 people, and it helps to keep the walls together, and 2 people can help support the roof. The entrance, yeah. Okay, so you've got to go under to keep the heat inside.
Of course, yeah.
Okay, heat rises, right?
Yeah, it's very important.
How's the roof coming along, lads?
Perfect.
Good, perfect.
Over there. Whoa!
Gets you out.
Woo!
The final rule of igloo building, make yourself nice and cozy, cuddle up into a sleeping bag and fall asleep. Good night, guys. Here's a fun fact for you travel dudes. Inside igloos the temperature always remains at 1 degree, meaning it keeps you nice and cool when it's getting cold outside. So I don't know whose idea this was, but we are about to go nighttime sledging. The slopes are open, the floodlights are on, we have our sledge and the ski lifts are running. So we're going to go up there, we're going to shoot back down. I should be in bed right now, but let the adventure happen. This is super fun, it's like being a kid again. Oh, I'm off. Camera okay?
Yeah. Are you okay?
pretty epic. Sledging was a super fun after ski activity, but now it's time for après-ski. Let's party.
The arena also offers active après-ski with activities like nighttime tobogganing, ski shows, live music, and my personal favourite, Igloo building in the Tirolian wilderness. The Tiroler Zugspitz Arena offers cosy ski holidays, perfect for families and beginners. With such a large natural area, the slopes are often uncrowded for wide open skiing in a winter wonderland.